How do I find a parasitic drain on my truck battery? Imagine waking up to a dead truck battery when you need to hit the road fast. That's what a parasitic drain can do. It's a sneaky electrical current that keeps flowing even when your truck is turned off. For trucks and 18-wheelers, this can cause big problems, especially if you're relying on your vehicle daily. Finding out what's causing it isn't complicated, but it does take a step-by-step approach. First, understand that a parasitic drain is a small, unwanted flow of electricity. It can come from a faulty relay, a stuck switch, or corrosion on the battery terminals. Over time, this drain can weaken your battery so much it won't start your engine. Before testing, make sure your truck is in the same state as when parked. Turn off the ignition, remove the keys, close all doors, and turn off all accessories. If your truck has a hood light, unplug it. This prevents false readings. Wait at least 30 minutes to an hour. This allows all electronic modules to go into sleep mode. Testing too soon might give you a higher current reading because some systems stay active longer after shutdown. Next, grab a digital multimeter that can measure current in milliamps. Always wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Disconnect the negative battery cable, then set your multimeter to measure current. Connect the multimeter in series between the negative terminal and the cable. This setup measures how much current is flowing out of the battery when everything should be off. A normal reading for a modern truck is less than 50 milliamps. If your reading is higher, you have a parasitic drain. To find which circuit is causing the problem, start pulling fuses one at a time from the fuse box. Keep an eye on the multimeter. When you pull a fuse and the current drops significantly, that circuit is likely the source of the drain. On older trucks, this method works well. For newer trucks with complex electronics, pulling a fuse might wake up a module, causing a spike. In that case, measure the voltage drop across each fuse instead. A small voltage drop indicates current flow, and this method is less likely to disturb sensitive electronics. Once you identify the suspect circuit, inspect the components on that circuit. Common causes include interior lights that stay on, aftermarket accessories like GPS units or refrigerators, or faulty relays. For 18-wheelers, check trailer wiring and added electronics. If you see corrosion on the battery terminals, clean them thoroughly with a wire brush and a baking soda solution. Corrosion can cause a drain even if everything else looks fine. Always check for loose or damaged wiring, especially in areas exposed to vibration and weather. Keep a record of any aftermarket devices installed, as they often cause drains. If you're not comfortable working with electrical systems, it's best to have a professional technician handle the diagnosis. Especially on newer trucks with advanced electronics, professional help can save you time and prevent damage. In summary, finding a parasitic drain involves preparing your truck, measuring current with a multimeter, systematically testing circuits by pulling fuses or measuring voltage drops, and inspecting components on the problematic circuit. This process helps keep your truck reliable and ready to go whenever you need it.